Time for a little XR6 action. With 298,935 kilometricos on the digital odometer, why is it here? Hold your ears, folks. I think maybe I better get it inside. Hold that thought and your eardrums, and I'll just move it in. Well, up we go, and this person's been clever. This is oil. All of the AU Falcons, pretty much all of them in the sedans, the boots used to rust out along there because of the drain holes. You put oil in there, it might be messy, stops them rusting out. Why are we so... Oh dear. That's why we're so loud. Okay. We don't have any rubber supports at all. Well, it's got a catalytic converter. Don't know what the inside's like, but I want to take a bit of a look. Anyway, in the spirit of, yes, it's an XR6, I'm going to go from here to the back in a 2.5 inch budget sports exhaust system, because hey, you can't be driving around like that. Not good for your health, not good for your wallet when you get pulled up either. Alright, I'll strip it down and have a look up inside that catalytic converter. So count to 3. 1, 2, 3. In we go. Oh. That catalytic converter is in fine condition, looking at the edges. Yep. All good. Okay. The system has been cleaned up, or the flange has been cleaned up where the new gasket goes. And Mr. Grasshopper is into it. A very simple bolt-on job. Aligning it where it's got to be, and we'll go from there. Well, there we are, all now completed, clamped up. I had one of these brackets that I've been keeping off a previous damaged vehicle, which no longer is on the road. I think it was mine actually. And the system comes back from the cat. You've already seen the inside of it, which is quite good. Aussie made product, mild steel, aluminium coated, mandrel tail. Now we went with the resonated option because we didn't want to have it too loud or too barky. No boy racer type thing here. A previous performance 6-cylinder back in its day, but we don't want it hoonish. So what do we sound like? I'll drop it down, we can have a listen right now. Okay, well I've got you set up on the tripod. So just hold your balance, don't fall off. I need to go over there and start it up because Mr. Grasshopper's just having a bit of morning tea, so here we go. Not too foul for a 6, eh? Let's get a closer look. I think that's got a lovely depth of tone. When the customer picks it up, I'll give you a bit of a drive-away listen. I don't know how we'll drive it. It's not a race car. I don't think he drives it like a race car, and we'll soon see. And away we go. AU XR6 automatic. More happy customers, I love it like that. Sporty without being over the top, exactly what he wanted. Aussie products, fit in Australia, by Aussies. Hey, I'm Aussie, I was born here, dinky die. Alright, comment, like and share if you'd like, I'd appreciate it. Help push me up the little ratings thing so I'm recommended to more people. And Mr. Grasshopper is learning more and doing more every single day. Bye for now.